That is our today's topic, that is called fractions. Fraction includes all the numbers type like a whole 1 upon 2, 1/4, 3/4, like wherever you have a numerator, denominator, that is fraction, right? Okay. So basically, what is fraction? What is a representation of fraction? Means how we represent a fraction. We have a numerator, as you can see at the top part is called numerator. So in this case, 4 is numerator and 7, the number in the bottom, that is called denominator, and that is joined by the vinculum. Vinculum, we also call it bar, right? Okay. So that is how we represent a fraction, that we also call it 4 over 7, 4 by 7, or 4 divide 7, as Zainab said. Yeah, that is. Okay. Or 4 parts out of 7. Basically, what it tells, 4 parts out of 7. Suppose you have a pizza and you divided the pizza in 7 parts. Okay, so total 7 parts, out of 7 parts, 4 parts, 4 slices. So I want to, if I will shade it, that means this represent by 4 over 7, right? So that is fraction. All of you understood fraction? If yes, then give me a thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, good. You don't have to unmute, just give me thumbs up. I'll understand. Okay? Yeah, good.
1 or 2 queries in between.
Yeah. Guys, any doubt, anything, you can unmute and say. Wait. You can write any doubt? Yes.
Ma'am, why do we tell vinculum to the line?
Vinculum or bar?
Why do
That
we tell them?
Why do we tell them? That is its name. Each thing has a name, right? That this number is called fraction. So this bar, we also call it vinculum or bar.
Ma'am?
Yes. So it's its name. Okay. Like everything has a name. 4. Why we call 4? That is how we say it, right?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
I didn't hear the lesson properly. I just went to washroom.
Oh, okay. It's fine. We just started and I just gave you the introduction to fraction, right? Like what is fraction? It's a part of a whole, right? Like if you divide a chocolate between your friend equally, so you will say half chocolate, right? So that half is fraction. Okay, so nothing else. Shall we move ahead, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me thumbs up if you want. Okay, fine. All good. Okay, fine. Next is representation of fraction as shaded part. You can see here few shaded part. First, in the first figure, it's everything is shaded. So so we call it one whole, right? In the second shape, half part is shaded. So the shaded fraction is half.
I'll not if you watch the explanation of the local, you will see the figure.
Keep
Now,
it
please
mute, no?
keep
Otherwise.
Please keep
Okay.
yourself muted.
Next is in this third, it's 1/3. Only out of 3, the whole shape is divided into 3 equal parts. Remember that it should be divided into equal parts. Okay. So out of 3 equal parts, only one part is shaded. So we will represent it by the by fraction 1 over 3. 1 by 3. You can call it like that. Okay. In the fourth one, it's 1/4 is shaded, right? In the bottom fifth one, it's 1/5. Fifth part is shaded. So we call it 1 upon 5. If it is total, if we will divide the whole shape into 6 equal parts, and out of 6, 1 is shaded, then the fraction will be 1 over 6. So it will go like that. right? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt in this slide? All of you good? Give me thumbs up if you don't have any doubt. Okay, fine, fine. This is simple, right? Basically, whatever part, make sure the whole shape is divided equally, okay? And then you just have to check which part is shaded. If they want shaded part, then like here, one part is shaded. Total part is 6, so it will be 1 over 6. Okay? Okay. Next is representation of fraction as shaded figure. So in this figure, there are total 9 parts, out of which 8 are shaded and 1 is unshaded. Right? So the fraction representing the shaded portion will be 8 over 9. 8 over 9 is for shaded. Okay, Saransh, can you unmute and tell me what will be the fraction for unshaded part? Like how you will represent it?
1/8.
1 by 1 by 8.
Shaded part.
Unshaded part, not shaded. So obviously one part is not shaded is correct. But is it 1 by 8?
No.
One by one.
How many total?
1/9.
1 by 9. Very good. See, in the denominator, it's always the total parts you divided, right? So we divided the whole shape into 9 equal parts. And out of 9, only 1 is shaded. So the fraction is 1 over 9. That it is the fraction for not shaded part. Saransh, is it clear now?
Yes.
Always in the denominator, it should be the total, right? Total parts you divided.
Okay.
Okay. All of you good with this? Any doubt? Give me thumbs up if you guys don't have any doubt. And
For the
if,
students who've not given their name in the attendance, please do that. Who've just joined in the last 2-3 minutes.
yeah, I'll just give 2 minutes. Guys, quickly write your name, quickly type your name in the chat box if you have not done so far. Those who have joined new, can you please type the name? Okay.
Ma'am, where, ma'am?
Vihan. It's Vihan
Ma'am, where, ma'am?
in the chat. Roshni, your you can tell me your name, Roshni.
Ma'am, my
Okay.
name is Ritanya.
Sorry.
Ma'am, my name is Ritanya.
Okay, written here. Okay, fine, fine. Then we have Daisy here and Vihan and Roshni. Okay, fine then. Okay, let's continue the class. So
Ma'am, my name is Avya.
Avya. Okay, I'll note down your name also. Okay, good.
Ma'am, my name is Raksha.
Raksha. Okay. I think we covered all. I guess no one is left. Shweta, your name?
Ma'am, my name is Raksha.
Okay, fine, fine. Got it. Thank you. Chalo. Let's continue, guys. So fraction basically a part of a whole. Make sure the denominator represent the total part and the numerator, like basically whatever ask, shaded. In this case, 8 parts are shaded. So the fraction for shaded is 8 over 9. For the fraction for not shaded is 1 over 9. Okay, so I hope this mistake you will not repeat it. Okay, next quick question for you guys. All of you do this question and type answer in the chat. Okay, first, what fraction of these shapes are shaded? You need to find fraction for shaded part. For the first figure, type the answer in the chat, guys, quickly. First count the total parts and then count the shaded part and then find the fraction. Simple, right? Okay. Are you guys writing? Okay, I got answer uh, from Okay, I'm getting answer 1 over 4. NJL. 1 over 4. You gave me the simplified answer. Can you unmute NJL by the name of NJL?
Ma'am, my name is Ame.
Okay. Ame, sorry.
Ame
Ame.
Lohani.
ठीक है. It is fine. Yeah. You have given answer 1/4. Can you please explain? Your answer is correct. I just wanted to know 1/4. How it is 1/4?
No,
Ame, why you got 1/4? Is it correct? How many parts are shaded here?
when I was writing 4 12, I don't know how I write it 1/4.
Okay, then your answer is 4 over 12, right? So it's simple. The total parts shaded here is 4. And sorry, the total part shaded is 4, and total parts, including the shaded, is 12. Right? So it is 4 over 12. So those who gave answer 4 over 12 is absolutely correct. Very good. Okay, can you quickly give me answer for the second one? Count the shaded part and then first count the total parts and then count the shaded part.
2/4.
2 by 4. Okay. I didn't get any
Ma'am,
answer
two
from
by
chat
four.
though.
2/4.
But yeah, you don't have to unmute, guys. I will call your name. Okay, don't worry. 2 by 4 is absolutely correct because there are total 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out of 4, 2 are shaded. Simple, right? Okay. Next, Daisy, can you answer the third one? What fraction of this shape is shaded?
1/4. 1/4. Ma'am, 1/4.
1 by 4. Very good. That is 1/4. That we also call it 1/4. Very good. You guys are very smart. Acha, guys, unmute and then keep yourself mute. Otherwise, it will disturb the class, right? Okay, let's move to the next. Any doubt on any of the question, guys? Simple one, right? Okay, very good.
No, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Shade 2/5 of the grid. So 2/5 of the grid, it says. What what do you mean by that? First, you need to count how many are there total, right? So how many are there? What is the total part? Raksha, can you tell me the total parts here? This shape is divided.
Ma'am, there is 20.
No, wait. But we need to find fraction 2/5. Basically, I need to shade 2/5 part, right? So check, do we have, like, is the shape divided into such that you are getting 5 equal parts? Maybe like this, right? This can be a part. This can be a part. Then this is 3, then 4, 5. So it can be divided like that because that is what the fraction given, 2 over 5. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We divided the whole shape into 5 equal parts. Now it says I need to shade 2 out of 5. So what I will do, I will shade this 2 parts. So let me just quickly do that. Here I will shade this and this. So basically this green represent the shaded 2 over 5. Any doubt, guys? If anyone having any doubt, unmute and speak now.
No, ma'am. Once
One,
more.
one at a time. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat that again?
Okay, sure. I'll repeat it again, guys. Listen carefully. The question says you need to shade 2/5 of the grid, 2 over 5, right? 2 upon 5. That means this is the total parts. The shape is divided into 5 total parts, right? Out of 5, you have to shade 2 parts, right? Now, how you will divide the whole shape into 5 parts? Matlab, obviously, you will not count each box. If you will count each box, then it will be more than 5. Then check how you can divide the whole shape into 5 equal parts. So you can do it like this, like the red boxes I have drawn. You can divide the shape. It's equal, right? So I divided the shape like this, and out of 5, 2 is shaded by the green color. Understood, Saransh? Okay, fine. I got it.
Okay, so
Anyone?
don't
Yes, ma'am.
send so many emojis. No, ma'am, this getting disturbed. I mean, other students must be getting disturbed. Don't send so many emojis, beta.
Yeah, please don't send, guys. Okay, I hope now no one have any doubt. I'm going to the next slide. Okay, let's move to the next question. Inaya, can you unmute and read this question? Inaya?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
In his
please.
class, there are 12 girls and 18 boys. What fraction of the class are girls?
Hmm.
What fraction of the class are boys?
Thank you. Thank you, Naya. So the question says how many? There are 12 girls and 18 boys, and you need to find fraction for girls and boys. Now, to find fraction of girls, it must be out of the total student, right? So to find fraction of girls, first you need to find the total students, and number of girls is already given. So number of girls upon the total student, that will be your fraction. Can you quickly give me answer for this? Fraction of girls and fraction of boys. First give me fraction of girls. Let's check the chat. Okay. Okay. uh 12 over 18. Is 18 the total student? Uh, Dhanilakshmi, can you unmute and tell me your answer? Dhanilakshmi, you are there? Okay. Vihan, can you unmute and tell me your answer quickly?
My answer is 12,
Huh?
12 times 18.
No, no, no. Say it 12 upon. You are saying 12 upon 18. Acha, uh, okay, tell me, Vihan, one thing. How many total students are there? I'm not talking about boys and girls. I'm talking about the total student.
30.
30. So why it is 18 here? Why it is 18? It should be out of total, right? So total is 30. Out of 30, 12 are girls. So the fraction for girls is 12 over 30 or 12 upon 30. Say it like that. 12 upon
Upon
30.
30.
Correct. Okay, good. Or you can say 12 out of 30 also. Simple. 12 out of 30. Right? Now for fraction for boys will be, number of boys is 18. So it will be 18 over 30.
30.
Simple. All of you
Yes.
good with that? You can type in the chat if you have any doubt, because after every slide I'm checking the chat. So you can type in the chat if you have any doubt. Okay. Okay. I'm not getting anything. So assuming you guys are sending answers. So fine. No doubt. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. Next, pizza. I think everyone loves pizza. So it's forget about the concept. It's pizza, guys. Okay. So next concept is like fraction. Okay. So like, what do you mean by like? Where that has same. Okay. Same what? In a fraction, if the denominators are same, then these fractions are called like fraction. Very simple concept, right? Now look at the example of pizza. In first pizza, the blue shaded, it's sky blue and say it blue only. So this, the fraction for first one is 1/5, right? For the
Yes.
second, the shaded is 2/5. For the third, the shaded is 3 out of 5. And the last one, the shaded part, shaded fraction is 4 out of 5 or 4 upon 5. Everywhere, what is same? Gauri, can you tell me everywhere what you can see the same? What is same here? Every in all four pizzas, in all the fraction, what is the same thing you can see? Okay, it's 5, right? Basically, we divided all the pizzas in 5. Each pizza divided into 5 equal parts, 5 slices. Everywhere the denominator is same, so all these fractions we call it like fractions. Okay, so like fractions is where the denominator is same. Simple concept. You know numerator and denominator. Uh, Roshni, can you unmute and tell me where we write numerator in the fraction and where we write denominator? Or 1 upon 5, which is numerator and which is denominator? Roshni,
Ma'am, what is my numerator and denominator?
you don't know? Okay. Numerator is the top one. So can you see the fraction 1 over 5? Wait, let me use black pen. Yeah. 1 over 5. In this fraction, 1 is called the numerator. 5 is called the denominator. Is it clear, Roshni? Unmute and speak, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So numerator on top and denominator on the bottom. Denominator is basically the total parts you divided the shape. Okay. Okay. So like fraction is basically where the denominators are same, right? Okay. I tell me in the chat if anyone not get it. Roshni, yeah. Any doubt, Roshni? Okay. Okay. I'm assuming no doubts. Then let's move ahead. Next is comparing and ordering like fraction. Comparing and ordering means we need to decide which is bigger, which is small, right? That is comparing. Okay, so we have given here two scenario. Let's consider 2 over 7 and 3 over 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. In the first shape, the fraction is 2 upon 7, the shaded. I'm talking about the yellow part, right? Two parts are shaded out of total 7 parts. In the second shape, in the second strip, 3 parts are shaded out of 7, right? So now it's very simple. Denominator is same. We already 2 out of 7, 3 and 3 upon 7 may. The denominator is already same. You don't have to look there. Check the numerator, which is bigger. Ame, can you tell me 2 or 3, which is bigger? Ame? Okay, I think
Yes,
Ame.
ma'am.
Can you tell me here 2 or 3, which one is bigger? Which is a bigger number?
3.
3. That means 3 upon 7 is a bigger fraction than 2 upon 7. And it's obviously very clear with the diagram, right? In the first one, only 2 parts are shaded, and the second one, 3 are shaded. So obviously the 3 will be bigger, right? So you have to check the numerator only because your denominator is already equal, right? Okay, so to compare the fraction, you have to check the numerator, and based on numerator, you have to decide which one is bigger, which one is smaller. Is it clear, all of you? Any doubt? Tell me in the chat. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Okay, I'm assuming. Roshni, any doubt? Roshni? Don't send emojis, just tell me in the chat. I don't want emojis. Tell me in the chat. Okay, I'm assuming no one have no doubt. Okay, Roshni, any doubt? Understood numerator, denominator and all? Okay. Okay, fine. Guys, let's move forward then. Next, we have an example. 18 upon 51, 48 upon 51. So we know this is like fraction. First, you have to check it's a like fraction. Yes, because the denominator 51, 51 is same. So now you need to compare which one is bigger. And it's obviously 18 and 48. So 48 is a big number. So 48 over 51 will be bigger than 18 upon 51. Okay. Okay. So let's now we will understand how to add addition of like fraction. But before that, I want to confirm. Can you all guys confirm so far we are good? No doubt. If you have any doubt, like in what is fraction, numerator, denominator, ordering, comparing, anything, tell me in the chat quickly. And if you can't type, then you can unmute and say. I'm waiting for your response, guys. Any doubt? Okay.
Ma'am, how was fraction?
How is fraction? What we are learning, like 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 7. All these are fractions, right?
Yeah.
That has a numerator and a denominator, right? Numerator, where we write numerator? On the top. And denominator, the bottom. You can see an example here. The first one, two parts are shaded yellow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How many total parts are there?
Um,
Out of how many parts two are shaded? 7, right? So the fraction for this will be 2 upon 7. That is fraction. That is how I can represent the shaded part,
yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Unmute and speak.
Oh,
Satish.
Yes, ma'am. A child by the name Satish. I don't know his real name. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, can you unmute and tell me your doubt by the name of Satish?
my name is. My name is
Yes, yes. Ha ha. What's your name, dear?
Shivam.
Shivam. Okay. Shivam, can you tell me your doubt?
I wanted to answer.
Shivam?
I wanted
Acha, you wanted to answer.
my answer. I have a doubt, ma'am.
Okay, I'm just asking doubts right now, Shivam. So just hang on. I will ask you answer. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
Huh.
how can it be to make two two half 7 means how we could do that if it's 2 plus 3.
Basically, like, what you want to ask? You want to ask for this, or like I'm just asking whatever we have learned so far. You have any doubt in that? Like, what is fraction, numerator, denominator, or
No, ma'am.
huh?
Addition
Your
of
voice is
light
breaking, dear.
fraction. Addition
No?
of light fraction only I have done.
Okay. Fine, fine. Okay, fine then. Fine. I have to teach it. So fine.
Ma'am, I
Hang on
think
now.
she
So we understood how to
fractions.
compare ordered fraction. Okay. Then before starting addition, can you quickly tell me 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 7, which fraction is bigger? 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 7? 3 upon 7. So we are good with that? Okay, fine, fine. Fine then. Let's understand the fraction, how to add like fractions. Okay. So in comparing what we did, we check the numerator, right? In addition also, you have to add the numerator. But first you have to make sure the denominator is same. Then just add the numerator, only numerator, no adding of denominator, no addition of denominator. Understood? Like
Okay.
here, I need to add 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. So I will just add the numerator 2 plus 3. 7 will remain as it is in the denominator.
Ma'am, the
Okay,
answer is 5/7.
correct. The answer is 5 by 7 because it should not, it must not be 5 upon 14. No, it is wrong. You have to add only numerator, no addition of denominator. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, good, good. Let me give you questions now. Now it's your turn, guys. Add 8 upon 21 plus 4 upon 21.
12 by
And
21.
no, 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 no. Hey, you guys have to write answer in the chat.
5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Uh,
13.
who is the name by Shweta? Acha, you tell me the previous answer. Fine.
Ma'am, me, Raksha.
Raksha. Okay, okay, fine. So yeah, I'm getting the correct answer. We only add the numerator 8 plus 4 over 21. 8 plus 4 is 12 over 21. So the answer is this. That's all. Simple, easy peasy, right? Okay. Let's move to the next. Next is subtraction. So same like addition, in subtraction also, we just have to subtract only the numerator. No subtraction of denominator. Understood? Okay. So like here, 5, first shape fraction is 5 upon 7. Second is 4 upon 7. And when you will subtract these two, 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 7. That is the answer. Simple subtraction, right? Okay. Now this question is for you. Subtract 18 upon 37 from 19 upon 37. Tell me answer in the chat. I'm checking the chat box now. You can type answer in the chat. Okay, I got answer from Shivam. Then Dhanyalakshmi, one. It's 37, not 27. Who is the name by the name of Harish? Can you unmute and tell me your answer, Harish?
36.
How 36, dear?
So
वापस कैसे आएंगे
18 minus 19 is 1.
Wait, wait. First, it's not 18 minus 19. It's 19 minus 18. Big number minus small number, right? So it should be 19 minus 18. Correct. That is 1. And so where does 36 come?
Now from 37, we
Huh?
get from one part. So then imagine your friend ate that one part, and now we have 36 more parts.
Okay, now wait. First, can you tell me your name?
Vihan.
Vihan. Okay. Vihan, you don't have to do anything with the denominator. Denominator is 37. Both fraction has same denominator. Keep it as it is 37. You don't have to do anything with the denominator. Just it says subtract, then subtract the numerator only. So 19 minus 18 is 1 and denominator will remain same 37. So it is 1 upon 37 is the answer. Understood, Vihan?
Yes.
You don't have to do anything with the denominator. Denominator, same, keep it as it is. Is it clear? Okay. We have to do on we have to add we have to add only the numerator and we have to subtract only the numerators. Even comparing also, just check denominator same, done. Check the numerator and compare. That's all.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you write it in the board, right? 19 minus 18 is equal to 1 dash under you write
Upon.
37 or 39.
Say it, Roshni, 1 upon 37. We call it 1 upon 37. Okay?
Ma'am, my name is Ritanya.
Acha, so, okay. My bad then. Okay. 1 upon 37. So, it's 37. Okay. Then it's my bad. My handwriting is not that good. It's 37. Okay? It's the same. 37. Okay? Okay, you can see it here, the solution. 19 minus 18, 1 upon 37. Okay? Okay, guys, any doubt in addition, subtraction of fraction? All good? Tell me in the chat if anyone having any doubt, unmute and speak. You have a time now. Any doubt? No. Okay. Okay, fine. No doubt. Let's move next then. One more example. You add this and tell me answer in the chat, guys. 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 7.
1.
What will be the answer? Tell me in the chat. You have to add. Okay. Okay. I got answer from Shivam, then Zainab, then Raksha, Nandini. Sorry, I forgot your name. Nandini.
Anika, ma'am.
Anika. Okay. Sorry. Nandini. Yeah. Anika. Why? What's your answer?
1 out of 7.
Anika, can you 1 upon 7? You have to add, right? You have to add. Means you have to plus. 3 plus 2 is what? Anika.
Ma'am, answer is 5.
Yeah, it is 5 upon 7
Yes,
because
5.
see, denominator is same and the numerator you have 3 plus 2, which is 5. You have to add, not subtract. Okay, so the correct answer is 5 upon 7. Understood?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Next, this question is of subtraction. Tell me, guys, answer in the chat. 13 upon 17 minus 11 upon 17. Let's,
Ma'am, it should minus 13.
dear, answer in the chat box. Okay, good. If you have doubt, then unmute and speak. Okay, good. Okay, I'm getting answer
Ma'am,
from
I
Shivam.
have doubt.
Tell me your doubt.
Ma'am, I should minus 13
Hmm.
minus 11.
Hmm. 13 minus 11. Correct. 13 minus 11 is? Okay. Zainab, can you tell me your answer? Zainab, you are there?
2 upon 17.
2 upon 17. Very good. Okay, I'll wait. Let me write it clearly. It's 2 over 17 because 13 minus 11 is 2. And just write denominator as it is. Don't do anything with the denominator. Clear? Okay, I think we are good with addition, subtraction, or fractions also. We are talking about only like fractions. What is like fraction? Inaya. Inaya, can you unmute and speak? What is like fraction? What do you mean by like fraction? Inaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what is like fraction?
Like
Hmm.
fraction.
What do you mean by like fraction? Quick, quick. Forgot or what? Acha, can you see what numbers here? Fraction written is 13 over 17, 11 over 17. Is it like fraction? These two, is it like fraction?
Actually, ma'am, fraction
Huh?
is a new topic for me, so I don't know that much.
Okay, it's fine. You don't know, it's fine. But I'm just asking ki you have two numbers, two fractions here, right, Inaya? 13 upon 17 and 11 upon 17. What is same in these two fractions? Can you see a same number in these two fractions?
The denominator is same.
Correct. Denominator is same. So like fractions have same denominator. That's it. Okay. So just check the denominator. If it is same, it's a like fraction. And to add or subtract like fraction, you just have to add or subtract only the numerator. Denominator will keep as it is. Okay, I can again see student, you guys are start sending emojis. Stop doing that. Okay. Otherwise, your screen will not be clearly visible. It will be disturbance. Okay, let's move to the next. We are all good? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, it's a quiz time. What fraction of this image is not shaded? It says not shaded. Tell me in the chat box. What fraction is not shaded? Let me see. Um, Anika, what's your answer? Anika, unmute and speak, beta. Anika,
7 out of
7 out of
1. But
how
one
many
should be
total parts are there? How many total parts are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
8. Out of 8, how many are not shaded?
7.
So the fraction is 7 upon 8. Right? Clear? Okay, so
Clear,
those
ma'am.
who gave answer 7 upon 8 is absolutely correct. Good. Let's go to the next question. What fraction of the shapes are rectangle? So there are few shapes given. First, count how many total shapes are given, and out of total shapes, how many are triangle? That will give you the fraction. Can you quickly give me answer in the chat box, guys? Okay, I'm getting answer. Shivam, what's your answer? Can you tell me, Shivam?
3 upon
3
9.
by 9.
3 upon 9. Very good, very good. Anyway, like you guys are getting correct answer. It's 3 upon 9. Very good. Because there are 3 rectangles and the total shape is 9. There are total 9 shapes. Out of 9, 3 are rectangles. This 3 over 9, 3 upon 9 is also written here as 1 upon 3. Can anyone tell me why? Like why they says that 3 upon 9 is equals to 1 upon 3? Any idea? Any guesses? Anything?
Why? Because 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 9.
Ma'am,
3 threes are 9.
3 threes are 9. Very good. 3 threes are 9 is absolutely correct. So the thing is ki,
Equivalent fraction, teacher.
equivalent fraction. That is a whole new concept. We will come to that equivalent fraction, but not now. Okay. But yeah, you are correct. 3 upon 9, we can also write it as 1 upon 3. Just look at the diagram. This is one part. Sorry, not like that. We can divide it like that also, right? Two circles and one rectangle. Huh?
Ma'am, shall I tell?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, that is group.
That is group.
Three
Huh?
circles are group, 3 rectangles are group, and another 3 circles are group. At the 3, they asked only
Rectangles.
Correct. So out of three, one is, we can say that one is rectangle. So that also represent basically rectangles. You can say 3 upon 9 or 1 upon 3. Both are correct. And it's a whole new concept, equivalent fraction. We'll come to that later. Okay. Let's not go there. Okay. Another question. Um, which of the following statement is correct about the given figure? So you have given a figure here. You can see that. And there are options given A, B, C, D. You have to check which option is correct. If all three options are correct, A, B, and C, then your answer should be all of this. But you have to check all the options. Okay? Check and tell me the answer in the chat box. Okay, let's see. Guys, tell me answer for the next
Ma'am,
question.
D.
Dear, type in the
All
chat.
of these.
Type in the chat, guys. Good. Okay, I'm getting answer. One says D. Let's see which is the correct. Guys, send answer in the chat, then I will reveal the correct answer. Okay. Anika says 3 over 9. That means it's option B. Okay. Then uh, it's D, D, then again B. Dhani Lakshmi. Okay. Dhani Lakshmi, can you tell me why it's B? Why it's 3 upon 9? Can you
Because three are shaded.
Hmm. Correct. So three are shaded. So the shaded fraction will be 3 over 9. It is correct. But why not A is not correct? Whole is divided into 9 equal parts. The whole shape is divided into 9 equal parts. So that is also correct. Unshaded, so whole is divided into 9 equal parts. Out of 9, 3 are shaded. So not shaded part is 6. So unshaded fraction will be 6 over 9. So all these three options are correct. If all these three options are correct, then you must mark actually D option. What option you will say? D. All of these. Understood? If above three given all options are correct, then you have to mark D option. All of these one. Okay. So D, yeah, those who have given D answer is absolutely correct. All of the options are correct. Yes, Roshni, and tell me, you have a doubt?
Ma'am, how, I cannot understand in the first A, wholes divided into 9 equal parts.
Okay, you can see, acha, can you tell me this whole shape, this whole triangle is divided into how many parts? How many equal parts? Like just count it. Like this is 1, then this is 2,
Ma'am, 3.
3. No, 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 not 3. Acha, wait, let me write down it here. I'll write the number. So this is first part. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each triangle I'm counting inside, right? 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many parts? Equal parts. 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is, so that's why your fraction, shaded fraction is 3 over 9. Means out of 9, 3 are shaded. Unshaded 6 over 9. Out of 9, 6 are shaded. Right? Okay, so for this question, the answer you have to mark D option. Okay, if all above options are correct. Okay, so no doubt, guys. Let's move next. Okay, next question. Next question is in front of you. Tell me answer in the chat box, guys. I'll just read the question till then. Amal and Saloni will paint the circle shown here. If Amal will paint 2 upon 8 of the circle and Saloni will paint another 3 upon 8 of the circle, then what fraction of the circle is left to paint? So for that, first find out how many parts they painted and then find how many parts is left. Right? Okay. I'm waiting for your answer. Tell me in the chat box. What is the answer here? Okay. Yeah, I'm getting answer from Zainab. Guys, send answer. Then Harish. Okay, it's saying A.
Is it 3 are left?
3 are left. Okay. Okay. I'll reveal the answer. I'm just waiting for others. Anika is saying A. Okay. Guys, send answer in the chat. Quick. Amay is saying 3 over 8. Okay. Dhanalakshmi 3 over 8. Fine. Anika, can you unmute for once? Yeah. Anika? Ha. So you says answer 5 upon 8, right? Why it is 5 upon 8? First, tell me in this circle, if Amal paints 2 out of 8, Saloni paint 3 out of 8, then how many parts will be paint? Total. How many parts will be paint? 5. So 2 over 8 plus 3, 8. That is 5 upon 8, right?
Yes,
So 5 parts are shaded. Then how many left? It says how many left to paint. So out of 8, 5 are painted. How many parts are left to paint? What will be your answer? This shaded. So let me shade. So this is
Four.
I
Yes, 3.
3. These all are shaded. Only 3 will left, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
correct answer is D. Okay, so those who have mentioned D, it's absolutely correct. Okay, last question of this class, guys. Quickly, first read it by yourself and tell me answer in the chat box. Quickly.
There are 24 pages.
No, you have to mute yourself. Yeah. 42 passengers. Out of these, 14 out of 42 are women. Find the number of men in the bus. Okay, let me check the chat box. Okay, I'm getting answer.
28.
I will not say it now, which is correct. I'm waiting for others to respond. Guys, send answer quick. Okay. I got answer from Shivam, then Harish, then okay, Raksha. Fine, you guys are telling correct. It's 28 because it says 14 out of 42. How many are women? 14. So if 14 are women, then the man will be 42 minus 14, which is 28. So yes, those who have given B answer, it's absolutely correct. Okay, so it's time for our class. It's done. Just let's quickly revise what we have learned in today's class. We have learned about fraction. Fraction is what? A part of a whole. A fraction has a numerator and a denominator. Anika, what is denominator? Unmute. Ha, quick. What is denominator?
Denominator is the down number.
That is basically it's the total parts in which we divide the shape, right? Total parts. Then we learned how to compare then we learned like fractions with same denominator, right? Then we learned comparing fractions. Compare के लिए you have to check numerator because your denominator is already same. So just check the numerator and tell which one is bigger, right? Now addition subtraction, you only have to add numerator. Don't touch the denominator. Keep it as it is if it is like. Okay, because it's already same. Keep denominator as it is, just add or subtract the numerator, right? That is all we done in the class.